So here is how to connect your Phantom wallet to your Axiom Pro account. First, you will need to log into your Axiom account. If you don't have one, you can use the link below in the description to sign up and get 10% off of fees. And then simply you will need to click on your Phantom extension and then click on your account here and then go to settings and then manage accounts and then select the account you want to use. Simply click on it and then show private key and then type the password you used when signing up for Phantom Wallet. Click continue and then copy the private key. Now go back to your account, click on the account's logo, account and security. Under wallets, click manage wallets and then in here click import. Paste the private key, you should not share it with anyone. Click import. You should see the wallet in this list. Now you'll simply need to activate it by checking the checkbox next to your wallet to use it instead of Axiom main. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.